Good morning, dear children. After 1 week break, this is our first class. Today I am going to explain division of fractions. I hope you all have completed your previous work. So freshly we will start division of fractions. See, there are three types of division of fractions. One method is division of a whole number by a fraction. Okay, we are dividing whole number by a fraction. Second one is division of a fraction by a whole number. Division of fraction by a whole number. Third one is division of a fraction by another fraction. We are dividing the fraction by another fraction. Okay, here directly I will start exercise problems. There I will explain one by one. So I'm going to start exercise 2.4. See, first one, division of a whole number by a fraction. From exercise 2.4, first problem, find, from first problem, first bit, 12 divided by 3 by 4. This 12 is the whole number and this 3 by 4 is the fraction. We are dividing this whole number by a fraction. How to do, you see. Here, we know the multiplication of two fractions, multiplication of whole number and fraction. We are already done in the previous exercise. Okay. So here, what we will do, this division symbol, we will change into multiplication symbol. So before changing this division symbol into multiplication symbol, what we have to write, you see here. See, 12. I'm changing here division symbol into. Okay. For changing this one, instead of 3 by 4, we have to write reciprocal of 3 by 4. Instead of 3 by 4, here we have to write reciprocal of 3 by 4. This division symbol changed into multiplication and this 3 by 4, it has changed into reciprocal of 3 by 4. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 means just we have to flip this fraction. We have to write reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. See, reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Now, we know multiplication of whole number and fraction. Okay, 12 is 12 by 1 only into 4 by 3. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So 4 will be here and this 4 is this one. So 4 into 4 is 16. I think you have understood this one. Okay, this denominator 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So in numerator here 4 and here numerator 4. These 4 and this 4 we will multiply. 4 4s are 16. Okay children, now we will see the next bit. Fifth bit. Okay, from first problem, this is the fifth bit. We are dividing the whole number by mixed fraction. Nothing to worry. We have to just change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. After that, we will follow the previous method. Okay, see here. 3 divided by 2, 1 by 3. 2, 1 by 3 means 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So, 7 by 3. Denominator same. Numerator, how you will change? 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 3. So, now you got the 3 divided by 7 by 3. So, we will change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. So, instead of 7 by 3, we have to write reciprocal of 7 by 3. What is the reciprocal of 7 by 3? That is 3 by 7. 3 by 7. Okay. So, this denominator, this numerator will not be get cancelled. So, we should multiply numerator, 3 3s are 9 divided by, here denominator is what? 1. 1 into 7, 7. So, what is the answer? 9 by 7. Okay. So, here we had changed the mixed fraction into improper fraction. After that, we followed the same method. Okay, children. Now, see the next one. Second problem. Okay. You have lot of bits from first problem. I have shown 2 problems. Rest of problems do in your own. Second problem you see. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fractions, and whole numbers. Okay, here I will give one fraction. You have to change, you have to write the reciprocal of the given fraction. After changing, that fraction will be proper or improper and whole number you have to tell. Okay, here question is 3 by 7. So what is the reciprocal of 3 by 7? 7 by 3. So 7 by 3 is the proper, improper or whole number? This is the improper. Improper means numerator is greater than the denominator. So this is the improper fraction. Proper fraction means what? Numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. That is called proper. Improper means numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, children? Now you see the next bit. From question number 2 only, see the next bit. Second bit, 5 by 8. Tell me now, what is the reciprocal of 5 by 8? That is 8 by 5. So 8 by 5 is what? Improper fraction, because 8 is the bigger than the 5. Okay. Actually, reciprocal means, here once again I will explain what is the reciprocal. Here we have written reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5. Why I am telling here 8 by 5? Because product of these two numbers should be 1. Then only you can say this is the reciprocal. 8 by 5 is the reciprocal of 5 by 8. Otherwise you can say 5 by 8 is the reciprocal of 8 by 5. Okay. This is called reciprocal of the given fraction. Okay. Dear children, now we will move to next problem. So this is the improper fraction because numerator is greater than its denominator. Okay. Now we will move to the next problem. Third question. Okay. So in second question, I have done few bits and rest of bits you have to do your own. Now see the third one. Here, division of fraction, second method, division of fraction by whole number. Before what we done? Division of whole number by fraction we done. Here division of fraction we will do by whole number. Okay children, no problem, same method. Okay, here division also we will change into multiplication. So what is the reciprocal of 2? 1 by 2. Because 2 means 2 by 1. Just reverse it, 1 by 2. So reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. See, 7 by 3 divided by 2. This division symbol we had changed into multiplication. Okay, so we will write reciprocal of 2. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. 7 by 3 into 1 by 2. Okay, so here we cannot reduce it here because 2, 7 not divisible. Okay, so we will multiply numerator. 7 into 1, 7. 3 2s are 6. Okay, before multiplying numerator, denominator, just we have to see it can be reduced or not. Okay, here we cannot reduce it. So in 2 tables there is no 7, so we cannot reduce it. In 3 tables there is no 1, so we cannot reduce it. So just I had multiplied 7 into 1, 7, 3 2s are 6. Okay, okay children, we will move to next problem. Fourth bit. Here you see a mixed fraction divided by whole number. No problem. We will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 13 by 3. Okay. At a time we will change this division symbol into multiplication. Multiplication, reciprocal of 3. What is the reciprocal of 3? 1 by 3. Can you reduce it? No. 13 ones are 13 divided by 3 3s are 9. So answer is 13 by 9. Now we will move to next problem. Fourth question. Okay. I think in this exercise you have only 4 questions, but in 4 questions you have lot of bits. So few bits I have done here and rest of bits do in our own. See, 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Third method, division of a fraction by a fraction. Okay. See, this first fraction, same as it is, we will write 2 by 5 only. But this division symbol into. Then instead of 1 by 2, what we should write? Reciprocal of 1 by 2. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? That is 2 by 1. Okay. 2 by 5 into 2 by 1. So here you cannot reduce it. So numerator we will multiply 2 into 2 divided by denominator we will multiply 5 into 1. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5. So 4 by 5 is the answer. Okay children. Now see the second bit. 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. Okay. Now you think how you will do this problem. Four by 9 into reciprocal of 2 by 3. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? 3 by 2. 4 by 9 into 3 by 2. Can you reduce it here? Okay, here we will see numerator here 4, here denominator is 2. Okay, you can reduce it. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here numerator is 3, denominator is 9. So 3 1s are 3 3s are. Okay children. So here you see. Okay, numerator I multiplied, divided by 9 into 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 will be here. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 3 1s are 1, 3 3s are 9. So what will be left? 3. 3. So 2 1s are 2 divided by 3 1s are 3. So what is the answer? 2 by 3. Here cancel of the fractions. Do be careful. Okay children, be careful here. Do properly. Step by step you do. Numerator denominator you will make it cancel. Okay, however you can make it cancel. Okay, but in numerator denominator you have to make it cancel. Numerator you cannot make it cancel. Okay, thank you children. Oh, okay. Sorry, we have one more problem here. 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. Mixed fraction. Just we will change mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 2. 7 by 2 division symbol into 8 by 3. Reciprocal of 8 by 3. What is the reciprocal of 8 by 3? Just reverse it. 3 by 8. 7 by 2 into 3 by 8. Okay, numerators 7 into 3, denominators 2 into 8. Can you make it cancel? No. Okay, 7 3s are 21 divided by 2 8s are 16. So answer is 21 by 16. If you want to change, you can change into the mixed fraction. Okay, thank you children.